Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how you can create a website using AI. How you can create a website using AI within a very short time. So today we'll be using 10web.com. You want to type in 10web.io, which is the address. When you open it, this is what it looks like. 10web is their products, automated website hosting, WooCommerce hosting, cloud hosting, they are into all this. The pricing, if you want to check today, we'll be using the free version. Talk to us. If you don't have an account today, you want to get started, you want to create an account, AI powered WordPress platform. So whatever website you create here will be compatible with WordPress. You can see these are examples of the site they created using this AI website builder, assistant hosting, web page share, page speed booster, create websites in minutes with AI. This is what you can do, and this is basically how it is. So if you don't have an account with them, you want to create an account with them, and then the next thing you want to do, you want to click on login. The website will show this way. You click on login. Now that you have logged into your dashboard, this is how the dashboard looks like. You see to the right side, this is my profile, this is notification. If you want to read about how to use it, you can go to the knowledge base progress. If you want to do affiliates, this is how to invite users. This is an AI assistant dashboard where you get AI tools that you can use to modify your website. This is my, so if you want to join the Slack community here, and then this is my website, drrollins.com. I'm boosting using 10web. And there are three basic things you can do with this website. You can create a website, either you can migrate your website to 10web, or you can optimize your website. So today, what we'll be doing is to create a website. So in creating a website, what we are doing is we're going to click on create. Okay, the next stage is we are going to fill the form. So we are going to use Babs blog, location London, England. The address is Babs blog. The Babs site is blog. The address, the domain is Babs blog. So this is how you'll be able to look for your domain, babsblog.10web.site, except if you do the premium one where you now have the domain.com. So the next thing is you want to fill your admin username, which is this address, and then you want to put your password. Then you want to create. So you can see it's currently creating a blank WordPress website is being installed on 10web.host. You see, it's setting up the hosting to now install the WordPress. And the last thing that to do is to finalize. So let's sit back and wait for it to create. Now that you have created, you can see congrats. The super fast website is installed on Web 10 automated WP hosting powered by Google Cloud. So the website has been created, and this is the address. You can see babsblog.10web.site. So except if you use the premium site, your website will be without the 10web extension. So it took approximately 1.7 seconds. The loading time for this website is 1.7 seconds. So what we will do next is to, congratulations, we have happened. It has been created. So they are asking on how likely we will. Let's forget about that for now. So these are other things that you can get what learn more enterprise. This is the premium. So close this. Let's close this. So this is the website that was created. If you look at it, if you want to add page to it, if you want to do other things, page, header, if you want to design the header, the footer, the single achieve slide, and the page. So let's go to my dashboard and see for ourselves. Now, this is the website that was created. You can see it's very fast. Desktop loading time 0.3 seconds, super fast. Mobile 1.7 seconds, which is very fast. So let's manage the website now. This is the web page. We're going to be doing other things here. So this is it. You'll notice that we have created a website from here. If you want to do other things, you can take it off from here. Okay, now that your website has been created. The next thing we want to do is to see how we can edit the website. This is the website, babsblogs.10 web.site. If you want to visit the site, it will display this way. Site will display this way. The next we want to do is let's see. This is the WordPress website. And then you can click here to see the website, and then from here you can now edit how your website looks like. So if you click on this button, if you want to clone the website, if you want to remove the website, so what we're going to do now is to click on the website, your WordPress admin section of your WordPress that you've created. You can see 10 web here. If you want to add posts, you want to click here to add posts. So let's see all posts that are currently on the website. So the only thing on the website is hello world. Let's view to see how it is. So this is the only thing on the website for now. So the next thing is if you want to create more content on the front page, you want to click on add. Let's say title, biology. Want to add some content to our page. That's the heading. Want to add it to it. Let's say this is what we have added. I copied it from Britannica. So let's view how it's going to look like. Let's publish it. We want to publish, and then let's view our post. So if you view, you can see that we have another post here, which is this. This is biology here. So let's go back to the WordPress section of the website. So if you want to do other things, you want to go back to here, you want to add more page, you click here to add more page. Let's say you want to add, you can add the name and describe and all of that. So if you want to add more page, you want to click here to add more page. Maybe you want to add contact store like I've added. Then other thing that you will do is to look at your appearance, come to appearance, you want to work on the theme, you want to customize your theme, your widgets, you want to create your menu, you want to design your header, the background image and all of that. So if you want to install other plugins, you can click here to add plugin, username, tool. If you want to do all of that, site setting, you want to look at the general, writing, reading, discussion. So basically, this backend of your WordPress website is where you will now edit the website that you have created. So with this, that means you need to have a basic understanding of how to use WordPress website to complete this review and the editing of your website created by 10 Web Software AI. Let's visit the website to see how it looks like. So this is the website. You see the blog that we posted. This is biology, the other one there. So other things that you create will be here. So if you design your backend graphic for your header, it will replace this. So with all this, we have done a lot. You click on your web dashboard. Let's visit your home. So these are the things we have done. Template, if you want to change the template, you can click here. Then to look at, let's say you want to change the header. Let's say save templates. Do we have anyone there? So click on appearance. When you click on appearance, you will see this. If you want to change your theme, this is the one we are currently using. Let's select this and activate it. Let's see how it looks like. So we have activated this. Let's view the theme. So this is how the theme is going to look like. Let's view it again to look at how our site is going to look like now. So if you visit our site, you notice that it has changed to this. This is the blog. This is the contact, the store, and the header has changed to this. These are the blog posts. I think I prefer this one. So you can basically use this to start creating your content and start designing our dashboard. So with all we have done today, let's go back to the home page. You see that the 10 Web IO, you can create a website, you can migrate your website here, you can optimize the website you already have. So these are the websites that I have. I have this my website for optimization. I have these that I've created through Tenweb. The advantages of using this is you can see that the page speed score is very okay, and the loading time for mobile is very okay. So have with this, you've been able to create a website within a very short time. All you need to do is to log into your WordPress admin section to edit and start making use of it. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching this video today and I appreciate. Please kindly follow, like, subscribe, and share.